It is Vlogmas day 1 and I am hungover and sick. So I've been sick for a couple days now. I was feeling better last night, so I went to a party. It was actually really fun. I got home at like 3 in the morning and now I'm sick and hungover. So that's fun. Today I don't have much planned. It's not going to be the world's most exciting day today, but I still thought that I would, well, I mean, I really wanted to do Vlogmas this year, so I was like, yo, who cares, I'll make it exciting. So it's about like 10 past 11. I've been up for like 20 minutes. If you can hear things outside my room, there's builders working in a house outside, and like I'm only awake because they use power tools right by my window, and that woke me up. But I need to clean my room. Exhibit A. I'm currently watching Canon Potato. Love her. Yeah, I just need to clean up my room a little bit and get myself out of bed and dressed. And I need coffee. So yeah, I'm just gonna do some makeup on my face, get dressed into some clothing, and then go clean my room and then have some coffee. So I'll bring you guys along so you guys can see how interesting my morning is. So I'm cleaning and getting myself ready for whatever I'm doing today. Okay, so I have not worn these jeans in the longest time, and I knew they were quite ripped, but you can see my underpants up the top. This side's all good. I don't know how that happened. So I'm gonna need to find some more jeans to get into because it's a little inappropriate. I'm not Kim Kardashian, I can't pull it off. It feels so weird walking because half the jean is off my leg. I'm gonna find my other jeans. This is kind of embarrassing. But my top and my bralette are both from Romwe. If you guys saw my haul I did on my channel, which is like my last video, then you would have seen it before. Both very inexpensive. And yeah, I need to find something better to put underneath because I look ridiculous. Okay, I feel like this is cuter. I'm just wearing my A-brand overall dress, which is just a cute little short dress. It's a bit of a different sort of style, to say the least. I don't usually wear black at all, so this was kind of like a weird buy for me. But it's bright outside. But yeah, so today the plan is I'm just kind of chilling out at home, probably do some organizing. Oh my god, I'm like dying. I've got bronchitis again. I always have bronchitis though. What am I saying? I've had bronchitis for the last 3 months, like on and off. Okay, so I'm gonna go upstairs and make myself a coffee, but before I do that I have to import some of this footage because I'm gonna run out of room with my SD card because of all the sped up stuff in the beginning. It took up quite a long time, so I'm just gonna import some footage and then I'll take you guys upstairs and I'll make myself a massive coffee because I love coffee. I'm not really hungry even though it is lunchtime right now. I'll probably go something to eat a bit later on because I only just woke up like an hour ago, so I'm not like starving at it like yet. Coffee. I need coffee. This is like my jar I use for everything. So I have my giant coffee. It's only 2 shots. I just like adding in a lot of water so it lasts throughout the day. I drink iced Americanos because I don't like hot drinks, so I always drink iced. and I don't like milk. I'm lactose intolerant, so if I have dairy, especially if it's hot, or like with caffeine, it makes me really sick. And I don't like soy milk, I don't like almond milk, I don't like any of that stuff in my coffee. So I just have it black, which I actually really like, so it's all good. So yeah, I have a giant iced black coffee. Not every morning. I have a coffee usually every morning, but usually not this big. Usually just one shot. And there is my dog, who is my shadow when I'm home with him. He will not leave me alone, which I love. He is my favourite animal in the world. Come on, Zinny. We come. Come on. Zinny. Hi. Cat stretch. Zinny. What are you doing? Come here. Hey. Okay, bye. Never mind. I think I might practice some guitar or watch some more YouTube. I'm like obsessed with Dr. Phil. I have been for a very long time, but like it hasn't gone. I'm still just like super obsessed with him. Same with Shane Dawson. I absolutely love Shane Dawson and I love all of his videos, and like I watch him and Dr. Phil religiously. I have a bit of a problem. I just think, Dr. Phil makes me feel better about myself and my situation. I don't know where he finds those people, and I feel really bad for them because they go through like a ton of shit, but like honestly, like where does he find those people? And then I just love Shane's like murder mystery stories and like all the like scary ass things that happen in conspiracy theories and shit. Like I'll literally just watch like playlists of his of him talking about that like all night long. So I'm gonna watch some Dr. Phil and some Shane Dawson, so I'll see you guys soon. Bye. Okay, so I was just talking to some of my friends and I got invited to a bonfire that is happening at a beach. So I am just going to get a jacket on and then I'm going to head to my bus. On the way I'm going to pick up some alcohol for tonight. And then I have to catch 2 buses to get there. And yeah, I don't know how much I want to vlog just because it's my friends and like I don't really want to be the one that sticks cameras in their faces, but we'll see. But yeah, I think we're just doing like a big bonfire kind of thing and it'll be really cute, so yeah. Okay, so I just got off the bus and I'm just going to be walking to the beach that we're going to. I don't really know where I'm going, so you guys probably have the same idea of where I'm going as I do, to be honest. But yeah, I've got like a bag full of alcohol, and so yeah, just heading to the beach. Hey guys, I just got home and I'm about to go to bed. I ended up with like half a box of pizza, so I'm gonna eat that and maybe watch a movie or some YouTube videos or something or other. My dog's on my bed. He sleeps on my bed some nights, not every night, but whenever I want him on my bed, he would come and sleep with me. And yeah, tonight was really fun. I didn't film very much because I didn't really want to like expose my friends or like make them uncomfortable or anything, but I filmed a little bit of the bonfire, which you guys just saw. It was super fun. We roasted marshmallows and we listened to music, and yeah, it was really nice on a little remote beach. So yeah, no, it was a really nice night. I just got home and so yeah, I'm gonna eat some pizza. I've already like brushed my teeth and stuff. I just need to take off my makeup, of course, and head off to sleep. But I hope you guys enjoyed day 1 of Vlogmas and that you're gonna stay around for the rest of Vlogmas. I'm so excited. I miss vlogging. I really enjoyed it last year, so I'm excited to get back into it. And yeah, tomorrow there is a big surprise for someone, so look forward to that. It will be really fun. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. Smile, be safe, and stay beautiful, guys. And I'll see you in my next video. Adios.
Have a holly jolly Christmas. It's the best time of the year.